This is a quick video to show you how to install strain gauge on rebars. First we open the strain gauge out of the packaging. Then we take a small strip of clear tape. Then we attach the strain gauge to the tape. The exposed part of the strain gauge should be in direct contact with the rebar, therefore you have to stick it on the back side on the clear tape. Then apply cyanoacrylate type adhesive uniformly and generously. Then attach it to the polished part of the rebar as we see now. The curing time of this type of adhesive is 20 to 60 seconds. So hold it at least for 20 seconds. Then take an electrical insulation tape to wrap it firmly around the area. Make sure that the electrical tape is extended beyond the strain gauge. It should start from the wire, from the lead wire. It should be wrapped around at least twice to make sure that the strain gauge does not get damaged during concreting operation. Now apply one more layer of tape just to make sure that the strain gauge wire or the strain gauge does not get damaged during its service time.